Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making hot Cheeto fried chicken wings, and I want to give a quick shout out to ToshPointFro from ToshPointFro.com for inspiring this video. Here's an overview of the ingredients, so make sure you check the description box for specific details. We are going to start by adding a few cups of flour to a bowl. Now add in your desired seasonings. Today I am using Frank's Red Hot seasoning, some Cajun spice, and some Cayenne Pepper. Make sure you stir the flour and seasoning thoroughly so that it's well combined. And this is how it should look. So using a food processor, add your chips and crush them until it turns into a fine powder. This is how your chips should be looking. Next, we are going to create our custard. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add in a bit of milk. Stir the custard until it's thoroughly mixed together. Now it's time to coat our chicken. Dredge your chicken into the flour and gently shake off the extra. Next, dip it in the egg custard and turn it a few times. Wipe the excess off on the side. Now place your chicken into the chip crumbs and thoroughly coat it until there's no white or yellow showing. I'm going to show you once more, then complete the rest off camera. Dredge your chicken into the flour and gently shake off the extra. Dip it into the egg custard and again turn it a few times. Now place your chicken into the chip crumbs and thoroughly coat it. If you want more of a crunch, then do a second coating of the custard and chips. Here's how my fully coated chicken is looking right now. Alright, we're going to place our chicken pieces into the air fryer pan in a single layer. Use a non-stick cooking spray and spray the tops of the chicken. Now place the pan inside the air fryer and set it for 380 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Or you can use the chicken preset that is auto-programmed. Halfway through, I flip my chicken, and remember to do it carefully so you don't break off the coating. I let the chicken cook for the remaining time left, and now they're done. Here's how they look once plated. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.